8 divided by 3 times 9 divided by 3. What are we going to do? If you divide this one will give us 3. If we divide this, you cannot divide this, right? So we do 9 divided by 3, 3 times this 3, which is equals to 9. Then we'll bring our 8. 8 divided by 9 is equals to 8 over 9. But this answer is not correct. It's very wrong. Because a lot of people solve it like this. The reason why it's wrong because we omitted a rule called order of operation. And order of operation, which is BODMAS, others call it PEMDAS. I like using BODMAS a lot because it's easier to explain and use. So this B is brackets of is also multiplication, divide, multiplication, addition, then subtraction. So now if we follow the rules says that we have to first of all solve the bracket because we are solving with this rule from left to right. So we have to solve on the bracket first. So if we do this bracket, we will get 3. 9 divided by 3 will give us 3. There is multiplication sign here because 3 is close to this bracket. If any number is close to bracket, it's multiplication. So now we have 3 times this 3 divided by what? 8. Now we have two operators here left for us, and this is division and multiplication. Don't forget, division and multiplication have equal priority. So when you are solving from left to right, whichever one you meet first, you solve. So we are solving for division first, which is this. 8 divided by 3, it cannot go, but we can write it in another way like this. 8 over 3 times this 3. Now, 8, we can put here and over 1 to make it easier for us to solve. 8 times 3 will give us what? 24 over 3 times 1, 3. Right? So now we have 24 over 3. Now 24 divided by 3 will give us what? 8. And this is the final answer. So the correct answer to this question is 8.